Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download iOS beta profiles for compatible devices, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your device. Navigate to a search engine. Type iOS beta profiles download. Look for the official Apple developer website or trusted sources. Click on the link that leads you to the beta profile page. Read through the details provided about the beta software. Ensure your device is compatible with the beta version. Scroll down to find the download section for the beta profile. Choose the appropriate iOS version for your device. Tap on the download button to initiate the download. If prompted, confirm that you want to download the profile. Go to your device's settings after the download is complete. Select Profile Downloaded at the top of your settings menu. Tap on it to open the profile installation page. Review the information in the profile. Press Install at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your device passcode if required. Tap Install again to confirm the installation. Once the installation is complete, tap Done. Restart your device to apply the new profile. Now, your device is ready to download the iOS beta version. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.